Good morning, everyone, and happy Research Day. So, this morning, the focus of our discussion is on how to interpret qualitative data. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing research in education and business research, you will always be updated. Based from our introduction, that the focus of our discussion this morning is you will be taught on how to interpret qualitative data. So again, with this, we need to have the assistance of the AI. No, on my end, I am always using Gemini. Okay, so the data that we are going to interpret, discuss, and analyze this morning is from the study titled Challenges and Aspirations of Filipino Teachers in Transitioning from Local to International Employment. So this is the research title, the data, or dito natin kinuha yung data. Okay. So let's move now to Gemini. Okay. So as what I have said, you will only use your personal email ad or personal ID because Gemini or AI could not be able to recognize company email. Okay. So ito 'yon. Okay, we copy the image and then we will put it here. Okay. So we will put it here. And then this is from the research problem. Okay, so this is the problem. What strategies are used by the teachers to cope with the challenges they experience? So here, when we talk about qualitative data, so we have here three columns. We have the themes. Now we have code here, and this the third column is the responses or verbatim responses. Okay, so here the code represents the place, the place of the participant. So here I have participant from USA, from Taiwan, from Thailand, and then I have here three participants. Okay. So, and these participants are coming from United States of America, Taiwan, and Thailand. Okay. So, the first column is actually the themes, no? Themes are generated when you are going to group, no, the responses of the participants. When you are going to group the responses of the participants. Okay. So, after grouping of the responses of the participants, you could be able to create the theme. No, actually, when we talk about this, we only group. No, we only group the same. No, we only group the same responses of our participants. Okay, so let's proceed now to the AI. Okay, so of course we need to have a prompt. Okay, now how are we going to have the prompt? Discuss, interpret, and analyze the data presented. Okay. Discuss, interpret, and analyze the data presented. Um, each theme will be discussed. Uh, provide each theme a discussion, interpretation, and analysis. Provide also a support from the findings of a recent study from 2019 to 2024 uh, in an APA 7th version in text citation. Include also the source. Okay, no? So here, on my end, we have here three themes: seeking support, self-care, resilience, professional development, learning. So ito yung tatlo ang ipadidiscuss natin ng AI, and then of course, um, in doing a quantitative, no, meron lang tayong mga kinuha doon sa formula. So here, we don't need the extreme data kasi we don't have numbers, we don't have figure. So ang ipapagawa na lang natin sa AI, dapat maidiscuss niya yung theme, no, the theme or each theme of the data, and then kailangan each theme meron siyang analysis and interpretation, and in as much as possible each theme you have to provide a support, no, from a literature or from a study. Okay, so this time let's click the prompt. Before clicking the prompt, we have to command do it in a paragraph form, no? Dapat naka-paragraph talaga siya. Okay. Then we have to click the prompt. Okay. No, so if you try to look at this, no, the data presents thematic analysis of strategies used by international teachers to cope with the challenges in their new environment. So andito na yung seeking support, self-care, professional development and learning, and of course the AI provide as well conclusion. So how to do it? Okay, so punta na tayo doon sa Word. Okay, gawa tayo ng new file. Okay, and then we have to, okay, so we have to copy the image. Oh, in our case, it is an image, pero in your case, it is an encoded version. Okay, so yan na yun. No? Wrap text, behind text. Okay. So here, we will move below. Okay. Wait, Lagyan natin siyang this table presents the okay and then yan no but do not forget dapat everything is in Arial no 12 Arial 12 Arial okay yan so if again meron kang table title so for example this is your table 3. Table 3 presents the strategies. Punta tayo doon sa how the problem is created. The strategies used by the teachers to cope with the challenges they experienced. Okay, yan. So, and then, of course, double space. Now, make sure na yung inyong double space, the before and after, you have to check the paragraph so that before and after is 0. And then, after that, okay, so we are going to copy this. Yan na po. Ang maganda dito, AI will provide conclusion, but of course, you still have to read kung tama ba yung pagkasabi ng AI. Okay, so we will change now the font size kasi 12 Arial font style. And then, okay. So, andito na, no? For example, seeking support. Now, this is our first theme. Seeking support is a crucial theme highlighting the importance of social connection and mentorship. Participants found solace in connecting with fellow teachers, both with their schools and in external communities, to share experiences and gain practical advice. This aligns with the recent research emphasizing the role of social support in easing teachers' acculturation and well-being. Okay. So, andito na siya. No? There is already a support. Lee and Cho study published. Okay. So, ito, ganito yung um, study published in Journal Education found the teachers with strong social support. So, we will remove, no? We will remove the we will remove na this one. Okay. And then okay. So make sure that you presented this properly. Okay, so for example, underscore the significance of prioritizing personal well-being amid challenges, engaging in activities like exercise, hobbies, and mindfulness practices, enable participants to manage stress and maintain a positive work. This resonates with the findings by Johnson et al. 2021, who in their article Teacher Development argued that self-care practices contribute significantly to teacher resilience and the ability to navigate workplace stressors effectively. So, pwede natin tanggalin na yung title ng article. Diretso na tayo that to. John et al. 2021 argued. Okay. So, this one also. Okay. So, Smith and Jones. Okay. Lagyan na lang natin ang 2020. So, dapat when you are going to cite, when you have to have in-text citation, you have to provide always in-text citation. Okay, in conclusion, the data reveals a multifaceted approach to coping with the challenges of international teaching by actively seeking support, prioritizing self-care, and engaging in continuous professional development. Teachers can successfully navigate the complexities of their new environments and thrive in their international roles. So this is how are you going to cascade your discussion with your data in a qualitative research or qualitative design. So, no? So very simple. With the help of AI, you could be able to have this, but of course, as what I have told you, you are always reminded that you are going to read. Do not place everything what AI told you, no, but in your end, at least, no, at least you have uh, contribution, no, at least you have contribution in the discussion, interpretation, and analysis of your research. Okay, so I hope, no, you learned something this morning. So I already provided you how to interpret a qualitative data, this time how to interpret a no, this time qualitative, no, the last time quantitative. So I hope that you learned something this morning. So thank you so much for watching. Good morning and God bless everyone.